tell by the title, I am making my Kool-Aid, 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 Kool-Aid shakes. Making my famous made Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid. First, you will need your favorite pack of flavored Kool-Aid. So my favorite is peach mango. Peach mango. Use this. So I have one package of Kool-Aid. I have a cup of sugar here. Pack of Kool-Aid. Into the sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Make sure you get it all out because you want every drop. And then you're going to add, now this is 1 cup of milk. I'm not going to add the whole cup of milk in here. Yeah, this might spill as I'm pouring it. But I want to pour it where it could get the sugar and milk, sugar and Kool-Aid dissolved. So that's 1 pack of Kool-Aid, a cup of sugar. Now if you think that's too much sugar, you can add less, whatever is to your taste. And if you don't use sugar, you can use honey. I wouldn't say a cup of honey, probably like a half a cup of honey. However you make your Kool-Aid, whatever sweetener and amount you use to 1 pack of Kool-Aid, that's what you will use. So you want to get this, kind of get that sugar dissolved in that Kool-Aid before you add it into the ice. 2 cups of ice, about 2, maybe 3 cups of ice. Oh, the Kool-Aid, the milk, and the sugar. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Then I want to add a half a cup of milk. Now, I always put it on the smoothie part of the blender. Y'all know y'all do this on y'all blender. Y'all press like all buttons across. That's it. Simple as that. Now look. There you go.